Eisenhower was in Europe during World War II. And he came back with that idea that America needed Autobahn.
Ya se fueron las sonrisas de cada mañana.
Before I-40 went through on Saturdays, you couldn't walk up and down the sidewalks hardly. The streets were packed with people, the sidewalks were packed with people, and all of the traffic was going the same direction. They couldn't walk against each other.
This used to be packed. This was busy all the time. I had a restaurant down there. It was open, and a tavern and patios out in back.
And that goes back to when they put in I-40, and when that came through, well, then that was it.
We knew that we were going to get bypassed someday. But we were so naive to think that the traveling public was still going to come and using Route 66.
I think that's what's happened to most of these towns, where the cars took over and they could drive farther and they drive to Springfield or St. Louis, but
for the first 14 years that we were here, from 1986 to 1999, about 3 people a year walked in this place, and that was about every 3 months, and it was somebody from out of town.
People in other countries know what it is to lose your identity, to lose your buildings, to lose your history. They know what it is to be forgotten.